I recently installed these LED lights in the ceiling of this bedroom, also my bathroom and my hallway. Let me go ahead and show you the process of how I did that and my impression with these lights. So I've had these really ugly fluorescent lights in my bedroom. They were actually broken, so they never worked. So I had to remove this base. Then there was a junction box inside. I went ahead and I removed that. Then I had to drill a 6-inch hole. I did a couple other holes in the ceiling and ran a Romex cable through the ceiling. And the set does come with these wire nuts, but I went ahead and installed these quick connects as a favor to my future self. And I did try out the lights before I put them in the ceiling. And when you install these lights in the ceiling, all you have to do is push these tabs up, then you put it in the sheetrock, you let go, and it just holds everything into place. If you ever need to remove these, you just yank on it hard and pull it out. So these are super quick and easy to replace. It's kind of hard to tell with the camera how nice these things are, but they just look so much better in my ceiling than the previous fluorescent light. You can see kind of the remnants on the ceiling paint of that. So I'm gonna have to paint my ceiling now. That's fun. I also went ahead and installed a dimmer switch for this as well. And this was the previous light in my bathroom. This was the previous light in my hallway. And you can see in the bathroom with these LED lights, it's just so much nicer. And in fact, it's actually brighter than the 2 LED lights I had in previously. And having a dimmer switch is fantastic. You can see me changing the intensity on the switch, and you can see how that works with these LED lights. It's just a nice look. I've been meaning to change the lights in this room for a long time, and these were actually sent to me so I could make this video review. I'm really happy with them. The thing that makes these so nice is you can see just how thin these are. They're just crazy thin. So if you're installing and you happen to run across a joist or something, I've used LED lights like this before where I couldn't put it in the ceiling because they were too thick and they'd get in the way of the joist, or rather the joist would get in the way of the lights. But these are so thin, as long as you can cut through the sheetrock, you can install it, no problem. They're especially nice with a dimmer switch, so you can set however bright you want them to be. These lights are a cool temperature. I like the nice bright white light. It's really nice, especially in my bathroom, that it's bright enough I can actually see things well. If you want something that's really simple to install and looks fantastic, I highly recommend these lights.